Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech Ergo K860. For most people looking for an ergonomic keyboard, we recommend the Logitech Ergo K860. It is a very comfortable plush wrist rest and a wave-like shape that effectively creates two separate key clusters on either side of the board, one for each hand. This shape aligns your hands, wrists, and elbows in a neutral position that isn't as taxing on your body as a conventional keyboard and can help you stay comfortable while typing, especially if you use your keyboard for long stretches. While it's made entirely of plastic, it feels high quality and sturdy overall. The switches on this keyboard are light to press, so you don't need to worry about tiring out your fingers while you type. These switches are also very quiet, which is great if you're worried about bothering those around you in the office or at home. Also, you can connect this keyboard wirelessly with its USB receiver or via Bluetooth, so you don't need to worry about a cable getting in the way of placing your keyboard in a position that's most comfortable for you. Number 2. Logitech Wave Keys. The Logitech Wave Keys is our recommendation if you're looking for a mid-range ergonomic keyboard. It has a much smaller footprint on your desk than the other options on this list, but includes all the same keys as a full-size keyboard like the Logitech Ergo K860 above. It has a curved key layout that tends upwards slightly towards the middle. This overall design isn't as radical as a truly split key cluster layout like the Ergo K860. Still, it comes close to offering a similarly neutral typing posture and does a good job of limiting how steeply you need to angle your wrists while typing. The Logitech's design is quite compact overall, but it is an integrated wrist rest, so it's still fairly deep and isn't a particularly portable option. That said, it's still a great versatile choice for moving between spots in your home or between hot desks in the office, as it connects wirelessly with a USB receiver or via Bluetooth with up to 3 devices at once. Its compact design also means its keys are spaced just a bit closer than most standard keyboards. This doesn't negatively impact how comfortable it is to type on, but it can take some getting used to at first. Number 3. Cloud9 Ergo TKL. Among ergonomic keyboards, the most distinctive design is the split layout. A split keyboard takes time, patience, and more than a bit of practice to transition to. You'll reach out for keys that aren't there, and working both hands feels like patting your head and rubbing your stomach, but the reward is a less physically stressful typing experience, allowing you to keep your arms in a natural position. The Cloud9 Ergo TKL is a wonderfully designed example of the kind. Magnetic snaps hold the halves together in 3 places. Once separated, they can be positioned up to 8 inches apart, connected via a USB cable. Modern keyboard add-ons like RGB lighting, a USB pass-through, and a plush wrist rest are also included. If you hope to take keyboard comfort to the next level, the Cloud9 Ergo TKL will suit you. The learning curve might be steep in the short term, but your hands, wrist, and shoulders will thank you in the long term. Number 4. Logitech Wireless Keyboard K350. The Logitech Wave Keys, profiled above, is aggressively priced, but it may not be within budget reach of every user looking for an ergonomic keyboard option. To that end, Logitech has kept its oldest ergonomic keyboard on the market at a bargain basement price. The K350 has been kicking around since the early 2000s, but this elder keyboard has still got it. While its design is decidedly retro, it comes with customization options, a comfortable typing feel, and a stable wireless connection. For the price, we can easily overlook some of its blemishes. This cheapest of cheap ergonomic keyboards is for people who don't mind sacrificing some modern keyboard aesthetics and features for a low-cost, comfortable daily driver. Number 5. Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB Keyboard. Another split ergonomic keyboard joins our list, this one for gamers. Available with Cherry MX switches in 3 varieties, and featuring perky customizable RGB lighting, the Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB split mechanical gaming keyboard remains one of our favorite splits, almost 5 years on from when we tested it. With a layout reminiscent of a 75% keyboard, the splitboard is gaming ready, even if it's not quite as sports ready. The Freestyle Edge has adjustable feet at the inner sides of the board, though achieving an inverted V-tent angle requires Kinesis optional lift kit. Still, this keyboard is a perfect companion for health-conscious gamers spending hours on their favorite PC games. Gamers looking for an ergonomic alternative to standard gaming keyboards will find a unique combination of comfort and precision in the Kinesis Freestyle Edge.